Hi everyone, welcome to the Mank Win Lab channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a Windows 1125 H2 Pro ISO file from the official Microsoft ISO. First, download the official Windows 1125 H2 ISO file from Microsoft's website. Since I've already downloaded it, the file is available on my computer, so there's no need to download it again. To get started, double-click on the Windows 1125 H2 ISO file, and Windows will mount it as a virtual drive. Go to the Sources folder and check if the install.wim file is inside. Also, take note of the drive letter of the virtual partition that was just mounted. Now open Command Prompt as administrator. Now we're going to check the Windows editions available in the install.wim file using the command I've entered. In my case, the virtual drive was mounted as Drive H, but on your computer, it might be assigned a different letter. As you can see, all editions of Windows 11 are now listed. Pay attention to the Windows 11 Pro edition, which has an index number of 6. Now you'll use a command to extract the Windows 11 Pro edition from the original file. Make sure the destination path is easy to remember, so you can quickly find the file once the process is complete. Now you'll see the install.wim file appear at your chosen destination. Now we're going to convert the install.wim file into an ISO for installing Windows. Here, I'll be using any burn to do this. Now we'll select Edit Image File and browse to the original Windows 1125 H2 ISO file. Go to the Sources folder, locate the install.wim file inside, and delete it. Then, replace it with the install.wim file for Windows Pro. Choose the location where you want to save the ISO file and give it a name. Then click Create Now. Now you can see that we have a separate ISO file for Windows 1125 H2 Pro. Next, I'll use VMware Workstation to test this ISO file. Now I'm going to add the ISO file to VMware to install Windows 1125 H2 Pro. You'll notice that there's no step to select a Windows edition during installation, because by default it installs Windows 11 Pro. To quickly bypass the OOB, do the following. Press Shift plus F10 to open Command Prompt, then enter the command shown on screen. Now, just enter a username and you're done. Now you can see that the install version is Windows 11 Pro 25 H2. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, share it, and subscribe to my channel to support me. Stay tuned for more interesting Windows tips and tutorials.